David, you like trees? Yes.
Yes.
You like sunshade? Yes. You like earth?
Heavy.
Yes. You like sitting here? Yes.
Yes. Heavy.
You like nature?
My teacher.
Okay. You love this place? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You're great, David. I'm telling you. You're so cute. You're so great, David. Is it hot? Is it hot, David? Hot?
Height.
Hot?
Height.
Hot. You want to go home?
Go home.
Go home?
Go home.
Okay, come.
Home.
Get up. Start moving.